Strategy for poverty eradication. The vicious cycle of poverty is increasing its grip slowly and gradually. Already we have understood the reasons of poverty in short. So, on this basis, it is easy to understand that we should adopt which policy or strategy so as that we can be able to remove poverty from our country. We know that we have adopted a 5-year plan scheme. After every 5 years, we are assessing what development has been achieved. Till now, we have completed nearly 11 plans, and in every plan, we are trying to set some goals, and poverty is one of the goals. But if we neglect the rural areas in our policy of development, then it is very clear to say that poverty will not be able to be removed. And it is also a reason why we have not been able to remove poverty, because we did not adapt the development of the rural areas in our policy, and that's why we have failed to remove poverty from the country, because village is the base. We are able to see golden pinnacle or development, speedy development rather, in the Indian economy in the urban areas, but the base is the village. They are the heart of the Indian economy. So if we want to keep them alive as well as prosperous, we will have to spend a large part of the budget after development of the villages. Whether it is economic development or social development or cultural development, all this development of India can be possible only if we develop villages. So only the present government has implemented a program, Gramodaya se Bharat Uday, and the basic idea is to uplift the country by uplifting the villages. Central as well as state government are emphasizing by implementing new plans and programs to remove poverty, and for this special stress has been laid so to improve the basic needs or life, development of agriculture sector, cottage and small scale industries, etc. If we provide opportunities for employment, a flow of income will increase and poverty can be decreased. After independence, government has given a thrust, a special stress for development of the large scale heavy industries or key industries, and also the slogan has been given, Garibi Hatao, that means remove poverty. For the development of these industries, encouragement has been given to development of cities. On the other hand, also the objective of the Green Revolution, Land Reform Acts have been implemented so that development may be found in agriculture. Page number 136. As a result of this, production will increase and employment opportunities will be created. If employment opportunities are increasing, automatically poverty level will reduce. It was believed that because of development of industries, benefits achieved by owners of industries will increase. Income of rich farmer or landlords will be distributed among the poor people and thus poverty will decrease. But in this strategy or in this policy, it just proved to be an optimistic bubbler. The development was in a speedy manner of the country, but in a slow manner. By this slow economic development, distribution of income was inequitable, not equally divided. As a result of it only, the income and wealth was concentrated or was in the hands of a very few rich people. And that's why we can clearly see that there was no improvement in the condition of the poor people. Because of the improper distribution of the income, the rich became more richer, but the poor remained where they were, or rather we can say even became more poor. In order to remove the inequality or disparity of the income, government framed some taxation policies so that the poor people may get commodities essential for their life, as well as production of such commodities to be increased. And so government imposed heavy taxes or levied heavy taxes on the luxurious items which were used by the rich people, the articles and services of luxury, of enjoyment. For example, if you go to a multiplex, you have to pay entertainment tax. If you go to any hotel, also you have to pay entertainment tax. By these heavy taxes only, the government tried to remove poverty. Also, a policy was made to provide essential commodities to the poor people from the fair price shop, FPS, Ration Ki Dukan, under the public distribution system, PDS. We have tried to improve the living standard of the poor people, and government has tried to decrease in the production of the luxurious items which are utilized by the rich people, and available resources to be used to produce the commodities which were used by the poor people. Attempt was made. Therefore, government has undertaken such type of efforts, and so only we can find increase in the employment sector among the poor people. Ability to work also can be increased, and production can increase, and obviously at last even the income also will increase, which will lead to a better lifestyle of the people. By understanding the needs to improve the agriculture sector, the government also implemented programs like Land Ceiling Act, Regulation of the Tenancy Act, Security of Cultivating Rights, etc. That means khede teni jamin. The actual farmer who was working as a farm laborer, by this act became the owner of the land. And so there is decrease in the income of the rich farmer and the landlord, and there is increase in the income of the farm laborers or tenants. So we can improve their condition. Government also announced the policies to encourage agriculture or agriculture related industries like cattle rearing, dairy industry, pisciculture and afforestation. Also, in order to develop small scale irrigation schemes, household industries, cottage industries, small scale industries, etc. were implemented, which helps a lot in the development. To make the people self-reliant, government has given more stress on labor-intensive industries where more manpower is needed. That type of industries are given more stress so that we can provide employment to more and more people. At the same time, also announcement has been made by the policies which are helping many traditional industries, handloom and cottage industries. Arrangements have been made for many household industries so that we can increase the employment in the rural areas. Also, arrangements have been made to see that the youth of the rural area is getting opportunities for alternative employment, and for this purpose objective based education, training and skill development programs also has been started. Government has implemented programs of self-employment as a part of strategy to improve their condition, and for this purpose only new sectors or new fields of employment have been opened so that the poor person's income will increase. Government also has improved the structure of the education, health facilities, residencies, employment opportunities, family planning scheme, communication system, etc. Government has improved irrigation facilities, roads, crop protection, skills and training field, agriculture, developed varieties of crops. Also, bank loans for obtaining seeds, fertilizers, tractor, etc. are being provided to the farmers. Also given subsidies. Such type of steps have been undertaken for the rural upliftment. Employment fields have been created in the home itself, so the youth will not migrate towards the cities, which is causing again a burden of population in cities. We know that the city limits are increasing day by day because people migrate from the villages in search of job. Government has started schools at the village level and also at some places secondary and higher secondary schools also have been opened, which are at a very close distance. Also, by starting colleges at a close distance, facility has been created to provide technical as well as vocational courses and training centers. In order to take care those students who complete their higher studies, they are given encouragement by providing motivation in the form of either economic help like scholarship, facility of fee, reduction of residential schools promoting girls' education. Also, many programs for women empowerment have been started to make women self-reliant economically. Various solid steps also have been taken, so we are creating self-employment. To conclude, government is taking valid steps to combat, to fight the demon of poverty strategically. Our country, India, will have to take firm steps to fulfill the dream to eradicate deep-rooted poverty and to complete the mission of World Bank which regards to eradication of poverty from the world by 2030. Poverty Alleviation Program, in short known as PAP. If we want to alleviate poverty, or if we want to find a solution which is successful to eradicate poverty, the people living in the rural and the urban area which are living below poverty line should be able to get direct financial benefit from different schemes. The names may be changing of these programs, but their basic objective should be to create opportunity of employment for families who are suffering from poverty, to improve agriculture, rural upliftment, food security, to provide education, to develop skill through training so that the economic condition of the people may improve, which leads to social security, and they may be able to rise above the poverty line. Present central and state government have implemented many welfare programs, and it is trying to improve living standard of the people, especially poor people in cities, by improving geographical as well as infrastructural services. With the reduction in unemployment, poverty will reduce. We can divide poverty elimination program PAP into 5 sections. 1. Wage based employment program. Second, self-employment program. Third, programs related to food security. Fourth, programs related to social safety. And fifth, programs of elimination of poverty in urban areas. Many steps and programs are implemented in these 5 different sections, but we will try to discuss only some programs which are main programs. Major objective of these schemes is to provide employment in the field of agriculture and irrigation, road, food security, organic farming and selling of agricultural products, so that direct income is earned by the person or the people or the poor people, which will improve their financial condition.